Hello and good morning student here in this YouTube channel. Well, we have completed our English as well as GE portion earlier. So in this video, we'll discuss some of the revision topics of the GE part. Means in your GE paper style, if you have noticed, we have question number 7, do as directed, and question number 10. Use given tense. So first we'll do question number 10 and after that we'll go for question number 7. So change the tense, means the tense which have been given to you, you have to change the tense of that. So it is question number 10 of your paper style. So what to do in that? Suppose change the tense. The sentence is here you are told that use simple past. The instruction, suppose instruction will be given to you that use simple past. So what to do in this? So it means the sentences which have been given to you here, you have to change those sentences into simple past. First is she runs a lot. So to change the tense of the sentence, first we need to focus on the verb part of the sentence, and verb part is runs. It means this sentence is in simple present tense and we are told to use simple past tense. So our answer is she ran a lot. So we change the verb of the sentence. Second is he does not play with me. So now this we have to change into simple past. So answer is he did not play with me. This does not we have changed into did not because we are told to use simple past. Number 3 is they they are talking in the class. So this is in present continuous tense, and what we have to do is we have to turn this sentence into simple past. So this will be changed. So answer could be they talked in the class. So this way you have to change the given tense. These sentences you have to change into given tense. Okay, you just note down this. After that we'll go more sentences like this. Please note down this. Now another instruction is use present perfect. Means you have to use present perfect tense in these sentences. First is we celebrated my birthday. So this we will turn into present perfect. Present perfect means have or has plus V3. Okay, so this part will be changed. We have celebrated my birthday. So this simple past we have turned into present perfect. Second is she scolded my brother. Again we use here this present perfect tense. She has scolded my brother. So here scolded means simple past tense that we have turned into present perfect tense. Number 3, they always, they will buy this new car. So this sentence is in simple future tense and that will be changed. They have bought this new car. So these are the more sentences for this change the tenses. Please you note down this, students. See, this simple future has been changed into present perfect. Please note down this. So these kind of things, students, is asked in question 10 of your paper style. Now we'll go for question number 7. Do is directed. So what kind of things can be asked in do as directed? That is question number 7. So in do as directed you may be asked to turn into negative, you may be asked to turn into affirmative, or you may be asked to turn into interrogative. So those sentences we do in this video. First is turn the following sentence into negative. See, she calls me daily. So first of all, while you change the sentences into negative, you have to keep the name or types of the tense in your mind. Means here calls is given, it means this sentence is in simple present tense. So while you change simple present tense sentence into negative, at that time we have to use either do or does as per the tense, as per the subject of the sentence. Here subject is she, that's why we'll use here does. So the answer is she does not call me daily. That is the answer. Second, we sang a song. So this we sang a song is a simple past tense. Here sang is given. Here calls has been given. So this simple past tense we have to change this simple past tense into negative. So you all know very well, student, that when simple past will be changed into negative, at that time we use did plus not plus V1. So here we did not sing a song. Number 3, they are going to school. They are going to the school. Now this is are going, it means this is present continuous tense. So nothing to do much here, you just have to put not after are, means between this are and going, you have to put not there. So they are not going to the school. Okay, so this way you can change affirmative sentences into negative. What you have to do is you just have to focus the verb part of the sentence. After focusing, you just have to identify, means which tense has been used in the sentence, and then remember the sentence pattern of that tense and turn your sentence into negative. Please you note down this, students. Now another thing, turn the following sentences into interrogative. Interrogative means questions with question mark. First, he learns Hindi. So this learns, it means this is simple present. So does he learn Hindi? Second, she wrote a letter. See, wrote means simple past tense. Did she write a letter? Number 3, you will join this group. So this is simple future tense. So will you join this group? So this way we can make interrogative sentences using the sentence pattern of it. See, remember students, in interrogative sentence, this helping verbs, means this does, do, did, will comes first. So while you just face this kind of sentences, means if there is this kind of sentences in the paper that turn the sentences into interrogative, so that thing you have to keep in your mind is just put these helping verbs at beginning point. Okay, you just note down this. Now another thing in your paper is question number 9, that is complete the sentence using conditional. So half of the sentence will be given to you in the paper and another half part you have to complete using your own word, like this. See, if there is a dark cloud so this is given. If there is a dark cloud, it will surely help, and this part you have to complete, suppose. So in that part, it will rain very soon. This way you have to complete. Second is, if I were a doll, suppose. So I would dance. No, if I were a doll, people would use me with the help of key. Means this part has been given, suppose, and this you have to complete. This is that question 9. Complete the sentences using conditional. Okay, you just note down these 2 sentences. After that, I'll give you more. Now another conditional, see. You will not pass the exam. After that you have to complete. So if you do not read, that is the answer. If you do not read, then you won't pass the exam. Number 4. If you take medicines on time, you will be recover very soon. Number 5. Call me if mother will scold you. So see, student, only this part will be given to you in the paper. Means half of the part will be given to you and another half part you will have to complete with your own words. Okay. This is question number 9. Complete the sentence using conditional. Any condition can be asked, 0, 1, 2. Any can be asked. So please you note down this. So this is for today's video, student. We have discussed question number 7, question number 9 and question number 10. Another questions will be solved or will be discussed in next video. Your exam is very near, so now it's high time to start reading, and your today's homework is write 5 sentences of simple present and 5 sentences of present perfect. It means total 10 sentences you have to write, 5 for simple present and another 5 for present perfect. Post your doubts regarding paper style, regarding SS and regarding English in the group. I'll try to solve those doubts in the group. Please take care, start reading, and all the best for the exam. Thank you.